Hey YouTube! Welcome back to my channel 87 years later! Yeah, girl! I've had this video recorded since like April, so you're welcome. I'm finally posting it. This is all for you guys. No, it's actually for me because I have a video that I'm in the works of making, and I've been in the works of making for like a month. Should I just start doing ASMR videos? This probably sounds terrible. Yeah. Anyway, so I've been in the works of like making it for like a month. Yeah, girl. But I did part of it like at my house, like my family house. But then like I'm gonna have to finish the rest of it here in Iowa City. And my room is a dang mess, ladies. It's a tragedy. And that's already hard for me to get motivation to clean, much less cleaning that, recording a video, editing the video, and uploading it in a timely manner. It's not realistic, okay? I have jobs, okay? Anyway, but, so I've had this recorded since like April 1st. So I thought I'd finally upload that so I could actually have like some content out so I can be like a good YouTuber and not make you guys wait too long or any longer than 5 months and a few days. Alright, anyway, so if you want to learn how to make a bodysuit, continue to watch and get excited because like she's cute, she's a cute bodysuit. And she's really easy, and make it. So yeah, I'm recording this on photo booth again, and my crappy little microphone that keeps disconnecting every 5 seconds. So hopefully this doesn't sound like a fireworks display. Go off, sis, yes! Anyway, okay, enjoy the video, please, because you're lucky I even uploaded it.